The best recruiting activity I found is success. And if you want to attract a lot of agents, put more signs in yards. Get your agents to produce more. When there's a lot of your signs in yards, that's the best agent attraction. And then we've created a new agent onboarding process. And so we take the stress out of onboarding. So when a new agent joins one of your firms, we have a whole process that we do for during the agent onboarding day. And we break it down to, if you look close at the spreadsheet, Owen, you can see that here's all the things I'm going to teach. Here's how many minutes it takes to teach that concept. And here who's on my team's going to teach it. When we're done, it's a 7-hour day, and that includes breaks and a lunch. And so we break down all of those activities in agent onboarding. We're going to share this with everybody. This is all part of the agent onboarding day that you're seeing right here. Look at that. And it's 7 hours. Like, you have to automate your processes or you won't do it. We sabotage our own success by creating excuses for failure because it takes too much work to onboard an agent because we don't have a system. So we have to systematize everything we do. This is our 90-day agent launch plan. And we've taken specific assignments that I want the agent to do, the team leader to do, the admin person to do, doesn't matter what position I hire. We've created a 90-day launch program. So when they join our company, they have 90 days to get ramped up on everything so they know our systems so that they can make a difference in our business.